Hi guys, welcome back to Divine Times 2. Hope you're having a great day. Today I'm making lemon and tomato creamy fettuccine. This creamy fettuccine is full of delicious fresh flavors with fresh ingredients. It's creamy, wonderful, and you guys, you're going to love this recipe. I'm excited to show you how I make this lemon and tomato creamy fettuccine. So join me in the kitchen and let's get started. Take the parsley leaves off the stem and mince it. You will need a total of 3 tablespoons of parsley. To 4 orange sweet peppers, take the seeds out and slice them julienne style. Place them in a bowl and set aside. To 4 Roma tomatoes, cut them in half and take out the seeds. Slice each half and then dice. Set them to the side. You will also need 1 cup shredded Parmesan cheese. Let's make the delicious topping to this pasta dish. In a small bowl, add 5 minced garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of fresh minced parsley, 1 tablespoon grated lemon zest. Mix well until combined. And then add the 1 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. Mix well until combined. Cover and place in the refrigerator. Before we begin making the creamy sauce, cook the pasta according to the box directions. While the pasta is cooking, in a medium pot on medium heat, melt 1 stick of butter, that's half a cup. When the butter melts, add 1 medium diced onion and the julienne sweet peppers. Stir and cook until tender. Add 4 minced garlic cloves, stir, and cook for 1 minute, stirring occasionally as you don't want the garlic to burn. Next, add half a teaspoon salt and half a teaspoon black pepper. Now add 1 teaspoon dry tarragon. Crush the herb with your fingers before adding it to the pot. This will bring out the flavors and aroma of the tarragon. And stir. Pour 1 cup of heavy cream and stir. Add an 8-ounce brick of room temperature cream cheese. Stir or whisk cream cheese into heavy cream until it's incorporated. Cover and remove from heat and let it cool for about 4 minutes. Now add 4 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice and stir until combined. To the drained pasta, pour the creamy, lemony sauce and stir well. Then add 2 tablespoons fresh minced parsley and the diced Roma tomatoes. Toss until well combined and plate. Sprinkle the lemony Parmesan topping all over fettuccine and enjoy immediately. If you won't be enjoying this dish right away, Make sure to heat it through and it will become creamy once again. Make sure you get a piece of tomato. This is absolutely fantastic. So delicious. So creamy. The lemon gives it a burst of fresh flavor. The tarragon is absolutely amazing in this dish. The fresh tomatoes and the fresh parsley. It's absolutely amazing. This pasta is great for summer. Anytime, but it's great for summer. It has that fresh lemon flavor. And the Parmesan cheese, absolutely amazing. Grate your own cheese. It makes a difference. And the topping gives it a burst of flavor. With that delicious lemon zest, it's amazing. Guys, you need to try this. You are going to love it. Well, guys, thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed already, please do, so you won't miss out on any of our future simple, delicious, and comforting recipes. See you next time. Love ya. Bye.